Welcome to the Ingleside Public Library's virtual Sleep Tight story time. Tonight's book will be, in honor of Mother's Day, The Best Mother. Maxine hated to get up in the morning. She didn't like to wash her face or brush her teeth or comb her hair. Maxine was sure a new mother would solve her problems. At breakfast, Maxine's mother asked, "What are you going to do today, Maxine?" Maxine munched her toast. She's all mad, look. Attitude. "I'm going to get a new mother," she announced. "Sounds like a good idea," said her old mother. "I'm going to look at the park," Maxine said, "and in the toy store, and at the zoo." "You better take your sun hat. It will be hot and bright today," said her old mother. "That is just the sort of thing I do not want my new mother to say," said Maxine. But Maxine didn't know how to get to the park or the toy store or the zoo. "Will you take me?" Maxine asked. "I'll be happy to," said her old mother. Maxine and her old mother arrived at the park. "If you were my mother, would you make me pick up all my toys?" Maxine asked. "You bet I would." Maxine thought, not the mother. So she's going around talking to different people. Now, you should not talk to strangers, okay? "If you were my mother, would you let me bang a drum at any time I want?" Maxine asked. "No banging drums, no tooting horns, no Miss Noisy. Thank you very much." Maxine thought, uh-oh, not the mother. "If you were my mother, would you let me wear my slippers in the snow?" Maxine asked. No. Maxine thought, definitely not the mother. Maxine and her old mother arrived at the toy store. "If you were my mother, would you buy me this rocket?" Maxine asked. "That rocket is too expensive." Maxine thought, well, not that mother either. "If you were my mother, would you buy me this mask?" Maxine asked. "Sorry, I do not approve of scary masks." Maxine thought, for sure, not the mother. "If you were my mother, would you..." "Don't touch that, you'll break it." Maxine thought, whoa, no way. Maxine and her old mother arrived at the zoo. Maxine watched the animal mothers. The monkey mother picked nits out of her monkey's baby hair. Maxine touched her hair. The elephant mother sprayed her elephant baby with water. Maxine put on her sun hat. The giraffe mother licked the sore on the giraffe's baby's neck. Maxine looked at the bandage on her knee. Oh. Maxine looked around for her old mother, the one who invented the toss your toys in the box game. The mother who banged a drum in her marching band and built a moonlight snowman with her while wearing her pajamas and slippers and parkas. The mother who bought her a telescope because she promised to be careful with it and played hide and seek with her while wearing monster masks. Ooh, that sounds like fun. Maxine found her old mother waiting with a balloon and a bag of hot peanuts. And she knew at that very moment that her old mother was the best new mother she could have. "Hello," said Maxine's mother. "If you were my daughter, would you want this balloon?" "I am your daughter," said Maxine. "And if you were my daughter, would you like these peanuts?" "I am your daughter, Mama." "But you were my daughter. Would you want another mother?" "Oh, Mama, don't be silly," Maxine said. "Oh, Maxine, I'm so glad." "Mama?" "Yes, Maxine." "Will it be hot and sunny tomorrow?" "I don't know. Why do you ask?" "If it is, I think we should wear our sun hats." The end. Oh, this was cute. See? There is no other mother better than your mother. I hope you enjoyed this book. For all the mothers out there, happy Mother's Day. But for now, good night and sleep tight.